In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Teams and SharePoint to OneDrive. This process is particularly useful if you want to maintain a consistent and accessible storage system that allows you to access your files from any location, whether you're in the office or working remotely. Let's dive right into it and walk through each step to ensure we have everything set up correctly. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. This is where we'll start our syncing journey. Once Teams is open, navigate to your community channel, which is typically where you interact with team members and collaborate on various projects. Click on the specific channel where you want to sync files. Now, if you navigate to the Files tab within that channel, you might notice there's no obvious sync button. This is because Microsoft Teams is often set to automatically sync with OneDrive, which streamlines the process and reduces manual work. However, to really see how your files sync with OneDrive, we can go through an example. Let's start by clicking on Start a New Post within the Teams channel. At this point, you'll want to attach a file. To do this, look for the paperclip icon, which allows you to attach files. Click on it and then choose Upload from this device. This allows you to select a file from your computer to upload to Teams. Once you've selected and uploaded a file, proceed to type a post. Feel free to include any relevant comments or context about the file you've uploaded. Finally, click on the Post button to share this with your team. Now, let's check how everything appears in your files. Go back to the Files tab in Teams, and you should see the file you just uploaded. This file also automatically syncs with your OneDrive, which you can verify next. Open OneDrive and click on My Files. Within My Files, you will see a folder named Microsoft Teams Chat Files. Click into this folder, and you should find the file that you uploaded from Teams. For those using SharePoint, the process is slightly different but equally straightforward. Begin by signing into your organization's SharePoint site. Navigate to the document library that you want to sync. In the toolbar, you should see a Sync button. Clicking this button will initiate the sync process with OneDrive. By following these steps, you ensure your files are synchronized across Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and SharePoint, making them easily accessible whenever and wherever you need them. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep your files organized and readily available across these platforms.